labanan. Umaatikabong bakbakan. Mga laro ay tutukan. Game na!
This is the hottest basketball in Asia, where the future of Asia basketball shines as bright as the sun. This is the 2023 SINAG Liga ASYA Born 2001 SINAG Cup, presented to you by Converge FiberX. Experience better with Converge FiberX. And we are live here inside the amazing where SLA started here in BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga, the Christmas capital of the Philippines, as these players are set to light up the court with their skills and burning passion. As you can see here for Batang Lakan ng Bulacan, Kian De La Cruz, who scored 14 points and garnered 5 rebounds with a win last game against Datslav x EOZ, will try to get another win against the Antipolo Pilgrims, headed by Iverson Petros, with scoring 15 points and garnered 12 rebounds last game, and with another win against J Project Boomers. As you can see, our games for today, a Saturday triple headers for game number 1. It's gonna be Antipolo Pilgrims kontra Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. Game number 2, NBS Slashers and LDG San Pedro. And for our main event, it's gonna be the Luid 1 Kapampangan kontra Passion Sports Elite. And isang napakagandang hapon to all SLA fans who are watching this live coverage of the 2023 SINAG Liga ASYA Born 2001 SINAG Cup. And syempre, sino nga bang makakasama nyo? Walang iba kung hindi ang Ewi tandem nyo, Rois the Pogi Sacote and si Enzo the Cutie Galarosa. Enzo, magandang hapon sa'yo.
Cooking ka. Pero magandang hapon rin sa mga kasinag namin na nakatutok ngayon. Welcome po sa ating sat.
Maris, pero
babawi kami.
Maabangan nyo lahat yung kung kakanda ba talaga si Enzo pati ba si Maris by following our social media on Instagram and Facebook, SINAG Liga ASYA, kasi doon natin pinupost sa mga news and updates natin dito sa ating bagong liga na to. And don't forget to subscribe to our TikTok and YouTube, SINAG Liga TV, kasi doon rin natin pinupost sa mga live coverages and highlights natin. Pati na rin, live rin tayo sa blasttv.ph and sa Top Sports. Basta na, Signal, sa Signal TV, live tayo channel 94, and sa Sky Cable channel 188. And before we start our first game dito sa day number 13, ano na nga bang team standings natin, Enzo?
Yes, and itong dalawang komponen na to, of course, ang Batang Lakan ng Bulacan, still brand new to this league, kaya nga makikita natin sa team standings natin, they're still very much in contention. They're now at number 5, umangat sila from number 7 last time. Pero ito, Antipolo Pilgrims riding on a 2-game win streak, nandito na sila at the number 3 spot.
And kaya nga, ano nga ba ang ating game story between Antipolo Pilgrims and Batang Lakan ng Bulacan?
Yes, ang game story natin, very, very interesting. It's called Rising Higher, kasi both teams are coming off a win. Batang Lakan defeated Datslav x EOZ. Ito naman Antipolo on a 2-game win streak, and they want to be on that upper half, the top 4 ng team standings natin, kasi entering the playoffs, yung top 4 natin magkakaroon ng twice to beat advantage.
And yun ang kailangan natin abangan dito sa liga natin sa SLA. Pero speaking of Antipolo Pilgrims, let's break down the numbers, yung performance ng Antipolo Pilgrims when they won last game against the J Project Boomers, a nail-biting game, 79-76.
Yes, and that was way back pa yung nasa Santa Cruz, Laguna tayo. And look at that third quarter storm ang ginawa nila doon. 29 points compared to just 14 third quarter points against the Boomers. 44% from the field, higher sila by 9% than J Project Boomers. Look at the assists, 26 assists. That is actually their best assist total in their entire tournament lives dito. Points in the paint, 46 to 36. Pero ito yung crucial dyan. Their bench points led by Iverson Petros, Joshua Bolante, and also Joshua Buenaflor. 47 points, diba? Off the bench. Grabe, napakagrabe ng performance ng Antipolo Pilgrims that time.
So let's look naman dito kung sino makakatapat dito ng Antipolo Pilgrims, ang Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. When they won last game against Laguna Datslav X EOZ Constructions, 84 to 72, a heated game yun, Enzo.
Yes, sobra. And then we're back on the winning track after a 2-game losing skid. Look at the numbers dito. The free throw shooting, 18 out of 24, 75%. Compared to just allowing itong Datslav to shoot only 10 free throws and only garnering 6 makes doon. 52 to 47 ang rebounds. They have an advantage there. Turnovers, they were a little bit careless. Maraming turnovers sila, but lamang ng isang turnover etong Datslav. But this is where I'm focusing on. Points off turnovers. They were the ones who were able to capitalize more sa turnovers compared to Datslav X EOZ.
Yan ang pinakagusto kong panoorin between these two teams, kung sino makakuha ng second winning streak after this game. So, before we start the game, let's turn over to our courtside reporter, Maris Victorio, for pre-game report for both teams. Maris?
Yes, dalawang team ang eager manalo pero iisa lang ang magwawagi. Now from Antipolo Pilgrims sleep, they are very excited to play dahil sabi nga ni Iverson Pateros, galing sila sa back-to-back win and because of that, naboost ang kanilang confidence to showcase their talents. They have 3 new players who will be playing today at nakausap ko ang isa doon na si William Triste. Sabi niya ang contribution niya sa team ay to set plays and assist. On the other hand, for Batang Lakan ng Bulacan, this game is very important for them dahil pag sila ang nanalo today,
Good afternoon, SINAG fans. We're coming to you live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is the SINAG Liga ASYA Born 2001 Cup, presented to you by Converge Fiber X. We are also live at YouTube channel, SINAG Liga ASYA TV, SINAG Liga ASYA FB page, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. We got a triple-header games for day 13 of the competition, featuring our first match. It's the battle between Batang Lakan ng Bulacan and Antipolo Pilgrims Slip. And now it's time to meet the starters for both teams. First, for your Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. Starting at guard number 11, Kian De La Cruz. Also at guard number 25, Christian Panganiban. At center number 14, Enzo Enriquez. At forward number 24, Medric Loresto. And also at forward number 6, Biko Diesel. Batang Lakan ng Bulacan is led by Coach Chris Paluyot, assistant coaches Louie Empledo, Dennis Concha, AD Benedictos, Ray Balgameda, and XC Bitan. Your Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. And now, let's meet the starters for your Antipolo Pilgrims Slip. Shooting guard number 2, Ryzen Kililan. Point guard number 66, Jason Murihon. Small forward number 20, Jake Cabasar. Power forward number 91, Iverson Petros. And center number 8, Medwin Antonio. Antipolo Pilgrims Slips led by Coach Ernest Alao. Assistant coaches, Kim De Pedro, Chuck Lamed, Bernard Jacob De Pedro. Your Antipolo Pilgrims Slip. Game officials are Dennis Iscaros, Jong Banayat, and Erson Birds Izuga. This is your SINAG Liga Asya.
This is our Converge 5x starters of the ball game for Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. It's going to be a different lineup. They will be starting with De La Cruz, Panganiban, Enriquez, Loresto, and Dizon. While for Antipolo Pilgrims, they will be starting with Morihon, Kililan, Antonio Petros, and Cabasag. Again, this is day number 13 here in BREN GUIAO Convention Center for our Saturday triple header. Kami ang makakasama nyo, Rowie the Pogi Sacote, Enzo the Cutie Galarosa, and si Maris Victorio. Kakaiba yung intro, no?
Swerte mo, di niya tayo narinig.
Oo nga.
Busy gumagawa ng report.
Ganun kasipag ang ating courtside reporter na
Oo.
si Maris Victorio. Victorio.
Ha?
Ha?
Mina?
Wow, ewan ko.
May naaalala ka ata.
Sorry,
partner mo
na-miss
dito
yung- Yung best friend ko.
To be fair, siya naman din talaga kasama mo last week na nandito
Oo.
tayo sa BREN. So, I
Yes.
understand. Pero, I'm also honored din ako na comparing me to the great Allen Mina.
Oh, ha?
Sabi mo Mina eh.
Oo nga, dun yun kay Maris. Pero anyway,
Akala ko sa akin.
hindi. Pero grabe both teams are in a last game nila, panalo sila. So let's see if sino makaka-continue ng winnings, makakagawa ng winning streak dito between these two teams, ha?
Yes. Actually, yung Antipolo,
Yes,
2 games na
two
sila,
games
diba?
na sila.
Oo, so ito, pangatlo na nila ba to?
If
But-
ever.
Oo, if ever they win. But this is a tough task against a stacked Batang Lakan ng Bulacan team. Kahit sabihin natin, yes, wala si Andre Acop and si Cyril Hernal, di ba?
Yes.
In the lineup today because of, other mga priorities nila. Siyempre, again, school priorities are always the top. Or baka naman may mga lakad ng family. We will know later on against Coach Conti, Chris Baluyot, di ba? But, nga, di ba? There's still a stacked team. Tingnan mo, they get Nico Dizon back. They still have Christian Panganiban. So, napaka-solid pa rin ang lineup nitong Batang Lakan ng Bulacan eh.
Yes, yun nabanggit mo ito sila as that's the first bucket here in the ball game, care of Miko Dizon.
Diba? Right
Yun,
on cue.
right on cue. Pero ito, yung nabanggit mo, Andre Acop, Joseph Hernal, who is not gonna be playing here in Batang Lakan, who are not going to play here in Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. For those two players last game, they scored 44 points.
Combined, diba?
Yes, combined for Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. So it's gonna be a different kind of adjustments or rotations dito for head coach Chris Baluyot against dito sa Antipolo Pilgrims Sleep. While Antipolo Pilgrims Sleep naman, they have new 3
Tatlo, diba?
players playing for their team.
And isa doon, familiar na familiar tayo.
Oo.
And pag pumasok yung player na yon, let's give him shine. And actually, yung player na bago sa Antipolo, isa doon, 18 years old pa lang, di ba?
Grabe, no?
Batang-bata pa. But again, this is what we have to deal with. It's September na, kakasimula na. This is where nagsisimula na talaga yung klase. Di ba? Kung first year college man or senior high school, yung mga players na to, they have to deal with adjustments din naman. Especially kung you're transitioning from senior high to college or junior high to senior high, di ba? There's a transition period just like when you transition from a level higher. Parang
Yes.
18 under ka. Ngayon, mga 21, 22 years old na kasi born 2001 tayo. There are a couple of 22-year-olds playing. Diba? So, ganun. It's a transition period for these players. But a good experience nonetheless. And at the same time, it's a chance for young players to step up.
Yes, that's the next question dito. Mas lalo
Yes.
for Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. Who will step up
Yes.
against dito sa full stacked Antipolo Pilgrims Sleep, as this is now a tied ball game because of that shot ni Medwin Antonio.
Yes. And actually, may one player na notice ako wala sa bench ng Antipolo Pilgrims. Joshua Buenaflor is not
Oh.
with them.
Oh,
Diba, star wing nila, wala ngayon. But nonetheless, compared to Batang Lakan, they got a complete 15-man lineup. Diba?
oo. So as you can see here in our replay right there, that pass here, assist of the quarter to Medwin Antonio. Hatid sa inyo ng J Project Loading Shop, makers of quality uniform, and what a quality dime there for Antipolo Pilgrims Sleep.
Quality na quality talaga. Hindi nga nakatingin, di ba?
No
No look
look.
talaga eh. Nakatingin dun sa tindahan natin. Pero look at that three-pointer.
Yes,
May
for
Panganiban.
Christian Panganiban from the right corner.
I expect this kid, Panganiban, to explode. Walang akop. Did not play his regular shooting na ginawa. Kasi
Last
medyo
game,
maalat
oo.
sa last game. Although 14 points is still 14 points, di ba? Pero yun nga. I expect him to be the one to step up dito. Just like that. Back to back. Sayang.
But a miss lang for Christian Panganiban. So yun nga, Christian Panganiban last game scored 5 points lang. 1 out of 4
pala, sorry.
from 3-point territory.
Ibang laro pala yung 14 points.
Hindi, iba yun.
Ibang laro pala. That was their Pampanga
And
Delta kalaban nila.
Yun,
Pin Cotton.
size point 9.5, graffiti
Ano yung size
2.5.
point 9 points?
Sorry na ano ko. Kasi gusto ko banggitin yung...
Gano'ng kaliit yun?
So,
Point
ewan,
9.5.
0.5 at technical na.
Gano'ng kaliit yun?
And ito, ball went out of bounds. Ball will go to Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. And as you can see there, that's going to be a turnover for Ryzen Kililan.
But, you know, actually, this is an interesting matchup. As you can see, Coach Ernest Alo and Kim De Pedro.
Kim yun.
I now know the difference. Kasi isa they covered the entire region of Bulacan. And that's why late din sila pumasok dito sa SINAG Liga Asya. They had to, you know, look at every city available doon sa Bulacan. Ang dami dyan. Angat, diba? Sa mga...
Oo.
Iba't iba sa Bulacan.
Malaki ang Bulacan.
Giginto, mga ganun. Talagang dinayo nila just to get, you know, enough players. Sabi nga ni Coach Chris yung 15, hirap siya. Mamili, sino ba yung 15 na yun? 15, pero pwede pa kayo magpasok every game kasi that's one of our rules unique to SINAG Liga Asya. Iba kasi, submit 25 and then on the day
That's
itself, 20.
Sino?
Yung